Big super. They're out in a East Prospect. We just a look at the gullies and the drain, you know. They cutting at the trench. They not really reach all that far.
Subscriber, big up on yourself. Love you like
big
that.
up all of the followers them who follow super big, you know.
Yeah. So I say, I see like on left out some place down the road there, so like. Welcome back, viewers and subscribers. Welcome back. Big super. They're out in a East Prospect. They're right out on the Beverly Hills stretch. You know, when rain fall, right in that vicinity, so a lot of water always thicker. Yeah, right between the blue and white and the flow scheme, right out here, so we always have a lot of water thicker when rain fall. And we got a little shower this morning. Not much to really distress with. We have a little shower this morning, so we just have to take a walk, you know, this morning. And we have the car wash. Those are who familiar with the car wash. And we have a gully right behind that tree there, you know. We're supposed to link up all of the drain back in a one, the viewers and stuff. So we have a gully. And that gully also run across the road. Yeah, it run across the road from behind the light post, behind the area right here, so, and come across the road. And it's supposed to link up all of them drain here. So we take a walk this morning on the East Prospect main road, and we just a walk and we just a look at the gullies and the drain, you know, and stuff, and look how everything coming on, because we see some work take place where them bring a backhoe, yeah, like a backhoe, and doing some work here. So we just a look at the roadway. Yeah, so you know them cut out some V trench. They carry the water down from all the way up that side. But how far them reach with the cutting of the trench, they not really reach all that far. But them are going still. You have to give them feelers, them are going. The only issue me say with the trench is that some of the areas them don't link up. So 4G the people. Big up 4G hardware out in a East Prospect. So as I was saying, the thing when I see with the trenches is like some of the areas them at the trench, like the trench run to a section and stop. And like just like skip out a section and continue. You know them that type of thing there. Like to skip out a section. So me I said to myself, say, why would they skip out a section, you know? And stuff, but I don't know, maybe them a plan to come back to it as at a time, you know, at a next time. So we just a walk, like for instance right here, so the drain come. I'm showing the people and it stop right there, so the whole of that area go straight up the road on top of the mountain. Now you see what they so go up there, so them not have nothing underground. And like then skip out here, so some other like you know when the water run come, if it'll come up on the road and then go back down in there. So I don't know people. Yeah, but he's not an expert on road work. And then mountain, then still have some mountain out there we need to move and all these things. So my viewers and sub, yeah, see the flow scheme the people. Those of who know familiar with the flow scheme. See the flow scheme. I make a walk through that scheme there the other day. When you can go back from a video and check. So we are make a walk this morning and we just a look on the drain and thing. I remember sidewalk really and truly non-existence. Yeah. And no white line. But them say them have a next. Leah supposed to come. Them promise we are next. A next coating asphalt on the road. So we don't know when that will come. We don't know for any time soon, but see the tractor up yesterday. Remember the tractor start all the way. Remember, you know, that it start all the way down. Where me I come from, you know. It start all the way down where I'm coming from. Yeah. It start all the way down there, so people. And me I go up, still have mountain. I think them would elevate some of them mountain, yeah. While them I go up the road. No. Them mountain there. I'm show you one next thing. It's a calbot there. It come out. But it not nothing for feed, you know. You understand? So I don't understand when the water run, the water will come up on the land, come over the land and then go back down in the drain. I don't know people, I don't know about them things. I'm a layman and a YouTuber. I just look and I learn while I go along the roadway and the condition of the road. So my viewers and sub, me on foot. Long time I not driving a vehicle, I just a walk. Yeah, my general, everything good? Alright, blessings. Yeah man, so we are do the walk. And I don't know if in that area where I'm there, I don't get the impression if any pipe run underneath the ground. But I will go up there and look. Because you need water, and when water run, come down. It's gonna need so much to connect up to, don't it? See it continue the flow. So yeah, you're gonna need so much to connect up an area to continue the flow. So if it come down, I ain't have a next drain to carry it down. What it gonna do? It gonna stop, bank up, and come over up on the road. So yeah. Who said that? Yeah, so some of the water come down here, people. The water stop and the water now know where to go. So it'll come right up on the road. So we can basically safely say right in that area. We can basically safely say right in this area here. Go straight down to the bus stop there. It seems like you don't have no underground pipe. So I want to know if you don't have no underground pipe. When the water run come down here, so where it going go? You understand? Where it going go? So, my viewers and stuff, I'm up on the road here. And I do a little review on the drain system. And I see the fiberglass man. Yeah. You come out so early this morning? You look like you expect to go up on the road, go do some work. Yes, man. Yeah, come talk to the world, because the world come right in front of the camera, because the world know you. Them I get used to you. Every time I walk out of East Prospect, I buck up in you. So
yes, boss.
Chat to the world you know, and
fiberglass specialist, my subscriber.
Yeah.
Big up on yourself, man.
Fiberglass specialist.
Fiberglass specialist.
Yeah.
Alongside tank, man. Any rhino tank you have a fix.
Yeah.
The rhino tank.
Slow down, I never know you fix a rhino tank.
Yeah, man, I made the rhino man. Any rhino tank fix. I made the man fix it. No man else can fix them but me.
Yeah, because a lot of come to the center here, so. A lot of tanker leak, you know.
Yeah, so I made the man go and start them out and things.
Yeah, and it's very...
Just remind me of my service again, so my service is 5477192.
5477192.
Yeah, man.
Fiberglass specialist.
Bumper, job top car, anything.
And him the right to see him location across the road, the people. Him location also the cross the road.
Right at East Prospect.
Yeah, so him the right in the vicinity and business place.
Alright, boy.
And me there look on the drain, you see?
Yeah.
And when me observe with the drain is that when the water come down there so, right at that area so,
it's bank up.
It bank up, it not no pipe to take it across so.
Yeah, really bust out yet. They bust it yet. My bust out now.
Them a bust it out? So all them a bust a go up past it and a bust it out. Then she bust it out, then them a come up.
Already.
Yeah. So I don't understand how your bus a come up and you pass here where you need to bus.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because Yeah, so I'm bust out, go down so like how you bust out staying.
Yeah, that me I say, oh, you know, bust it out. So,
Come in, contact.
so at that me not really understand what I go on and things. So, me there with the citizen. You afraid of camera?
Give us an interview.
Okay.
Be a place, a guest house, a new guest house.
A new guest house I build right there, so?
Yeah, be
So oh, nobody knows nothing to Big Super.
But talk to Superboy place, but I'm there, man.
Me don't know
Yeah, man, Big Super, man. Yeah, man, you don't know we have a big up Bigs, you know, big up all of the blogger, them, you know, all the YouTuber, them, you know.
Yeah.
Every man who follow Bigs, you know, man, every boy and girl, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, see, there's an Airbnb we are start out.
My God, it's beautiful.
Airbnb.
On the stretcher.
Right on the stretch.
It look nice. It look nice.
Yeah, soon things soon happens very soon, you know.
Yeah.
So up, you know.
A new Airbnb out in the East Prospect. So the place a rise, the place a come
Yeah,
up.
man, it a come on, man.
Yeah. Well, I want thing you know with Airbnb,
Yeah.
most of them don't really need no advertisement. From them open, people just run in.
Yes.
Yeah. But we still have to make the world
Still
know.
have to make the world know how to go on.
Yes, the St.Thomas up.
The St.Thomas up.
Yeah, man. So at the drain, me I look on, I say, I'm more your opinion now. The water come down here, so, right in that area, so.
Yeah.
And it stop. And then the tractor, they that dig from down the road that come up. Why they not dig out the Migo part come up to here, so?
Exactly. But they may dig out just already, you know.
Them they dig out here,
Put
so?
pipe in there, you know.
So you want pipe underneath there?
Yeah, man.
Take it to back. You know, take it to back.
Them,
Yeah, man, pipe the pipe there, so.
yeah, man, remember they may dig out the whole as a teacher already, man.
Okay.
So how me
Teacher, man.
yeah, so me say the pipe bury.
Yeah, man, the pipe bury, man.
It must bury because
But me don't know why the water circle here, so.
you're supposed to
I say pipe. You sure you say pipe?
Remember they may dig up the whole as a teacher.
yeah, me and then dig up yes so and put a pipe yes so.
You know, so me not think they dig up here, so.
Pipe not there, so bar. That's not gonna be water drain. The pipe not there, so man.
No pipe not there so man.
A long way the pipe.
Yeah. True.
Like pipe.
Get me under this, beside the bush,
It's like a vehicle I drive over. This is a lone pipe.
Yes.
Yeah.
The pipe can't and part. Let's say man should up first.
Yes, true.
The pipe is a first.
Yes, true.
Yeah.
The pipe can't like that stuck up.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like
So
big water come out of the lane, so it's a turbo water.
Yeah.
Supposed to get. It's a flood of all the wire.
Yeah, man.
Big wall of water, so as I my bus got now, it's turning on no water can't do something.
yeah. So when the water come down now through that trench, alright, so everything will come bank up, you know. Yeah, because when I say when you pass the area which part to bus out and gone to one different area. That's the part, the thing, yeah. Yeah, so if you work from down the road, come up, you know, just continue. Yeah, you know, but skip out one section and then go on one different thing. But they must know them logistic. Yeah, man. Anyway, big up on yourself. Have on yourself a wonderful Sunday morning. Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Subscriber, big up on yourself. Love
Yeah,
and
man,
like
big
that.
up all of the followers them who follow Super Big, you know.
Yeah.
All them time I never know so Big is a blogger.
You never know me that? I'm here the top blogger out in St. Thomas.
Alright, so big up all of the followers them who follow you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, enough respect, man.
Yeah, man, we are the top brother, man. Yeah, man, I'm big up on the Airbnb, you know?
Yeah, man.
You look good. Me like the building. The building have a nice look.
Alright.
Big up yourself, big.
Alright, me I go up the road there.
Alright, super.
Yeah, man. Some of viewers and stuff, you see me just talk to some of the community members. And we are trying to figure out how the water run to one point and not go no more. I remember the tractor did that dig up from way down the road. The tractor dig up from way down the road come up. The tractor dig up. Big Super there, we see a big truck a reverse up. Yeah. We see a big truck a reverse up in the Sunday morning. And my viewers and stuff, we never give you a time and temperature check. And it's 7:55. Sunday, August the 13th. Yeah. Sunday, August the 13th. And Big Super, they're on foot. I wouldn't know if you all get the liaison to talk to this morning. Because we want to ask him some question like, you look like they skip out one part down the road there. I don't know if I'll get him to talk to this morning because sometimes they don't give you no argument, you know. Well, the next time they may give you an argument, you know them way there. So, we're up on the stretcher people. Morning, my general, blessings. Yeah. And we are look on the roadway. We are look on the condition. I see look how water where the man talk about it come down from up at Top House Road. You see it? It come down, you know, you see it, viewers and sub. It. We go down that stretcher in the gutter and you see it? Yeah. So yeah. my viewers and subs. So we're there out here and we are look at the roadway. We're looking at the condition of the road, people, and we keep giving our viewers them an update on what taking place out here. Yeah, so yes, I need to complete because I'm gonna need the little box business, but the underground drain and so I go running now. I see the water will come out of the lane here, people. Can position the camera. When the water come across the road, you know, it come out of that drain there, you know. And nothing normal. Yeah. And nothing normal, people. So big super there up on the road. And we just look at the roadway. We're looking at the road condition. And we are layman, we just put some lay question out there. So you guys can maybe fill up the comment section and tell me exactly what you think and what you think about the big super I say out here this Sunday morning, yeah, and stuff. And we see one of the liaison I walk come down the stretcher and we are going to find out from him how things look, how things are coming on, how the project are coming on, you know. And if they have any unseen problem, I go on the road. So I go on liaison, how the project look this morning?
Yeah man, I go on this digging and clean up this place. Huh?
Yeah, so I say, I see like when you left out some place down the road there, so like, I don't know if I left on like when I come up and...
No man, we left it out man, we go back down.
When I go back down there?
Go back down there.
Oh, when I clean up yourself and go back down there? Alright, big up yourself.
Alright.
Yeah man, so when you hear from the liaison, he say him not left out nowhere. Him a clean out and go up there, so maybe I owe them set out them working project. Maybe them a deal with the easy part first and go back to the hard part. I don't know people, full up the comment section and make me know what you think. Big super is out here on the road Sunday. And we just look at the roadway as usual out in the East Prospect, out on the Beverly Hills stretch. We look with the out on the Beverly Hills stretch. East Prospect. Drive, everything good? Alright, more blessings. So and we are come right up to where them have the mountain, and we see them have an underground. Them have an underground pipe, bury. You can look on it. And the one that was cement, you know. So you know, so the weight of the road I go crumble that. The one that never cement. I mean, I don't know if them are going to dig it up back or them are going to left it same way. But we are come up to Triple R. Yeah, the sponsor, a big super. And we are telling you, when you're out in an East Prospect, you can stop. You can stop right at this. Triple R. You can stop right at this fashion store and Superette wholesale. Yeah, you can stop here. Consignment liquor. You can stop anytime you're coming out here and you can purchase your stuff. Them sell reasonable and them import a lot of foreign items. So big up Triple R. You understand? So big super 360 round and show no. 360 round and show no. The sun in my face. Like, share, subscribe, turn on your post notification bell. Just do the right thing, people. Big super saying to you guys. For now. Peace out.